Remarks on this decision tree and the previous binary search example. The values inside the nodes are those compared against the value x in the previous example. The values in the square brackets represent the indices of the values to be compared, that is, the values for mid in the algorithm. The root of this tree, that is, a of 7, which is equal to 10, is the first array element to be compared with x. If x is less than a of 7, which is 10, the left subtree will be selected and all elements in the right subtree are discarded. This implies that a of 3, which is 5, is the next element to be compared with x. If x is greater than a of 7, which is 10, then the right subtree is selected and all elements in the left subtree are discarded. Therefore, a of 11, which is equal to 23, is the next element to be compared with x. Counting the sequence of comparisons, the search process ends with either a successful search or when a leaf node in the decision tree is compared with the value x. In general, the maximum number of element comparisons for an input of size n is equal to the height of the decision tree plus 1, which equals the floor of log n plus 1. Also, we should point out that for each value of n, there is a unique decision tree of size n regardless of the values stored in the n elements.